Yeah. Lost my religion. Said I lost my religion. Lost my religion. I lost my religion. Lost my religion. Yeah, let me talk to you. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. Now you see it's all over, my whole life I done crossed over. Religion had me blinded by the laws that were commanded for. You may say I'm crazy, I say you illusional. Truth in plain sight, but you still holding tight to the ways of this world. The mindset they gave you still holding you in bondage. Captive to this land, mind, body, and soul. Religion got its grips on you, the truth you can't hold. Slave mentality, you just can't let go. The God you call on is hiding in his hole. When I call on the true Yah, the enemy will fold. When I call on the true Yah, the enemy will fold. When I call on the true Yah, the enemy will fold. Lost my religion. Lost my religion. Lost my religion. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. The game done changed, whole life rearranged. It's all for the better, Yahuah made it better. Now the fight is getting started, ridicule coming next. I'm built for the fight, I must out my life. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. I lost my religion, no more chains holding me. Yahuah set me free, the Ruach lives in me. Lost my religion. Lost my religion. Lost my religion. Lost my religion. Lost my religion.